Today I'm going to use the Biosthetique Heat Protector on my model Kerry. She currently has blonde highlights in her hair, so a heat protector is vital to protect it from damage and to maintain the life of her color. I'm going to show you how to apply when wet with the blow dry, and you can also apply when your hair is dry for second day styling. You want to make sure to spray evenly through your hair. I tend to take sections throughout the hair and brush it through. Make sure to spray on just your mids to ends, and spraying from a slight distance is best. Now I'm going to begin to blow dry Kerry's hair. I hope you enjoy this hair tutorial. If you have anything you'd like us to show you in the future, please comment below.